Morning, guys.
Morning.
Nice day, isn't it?
Yeah.
Still love you, Harry? What's the plan today?
See if the shops are fun to get 21 Pokemon card packs.
What do you want to do?
Look at the shop.
Look in the shops?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll,
Maybe. What is this,
What
Dad?
have you got?
What is that big?
There's some sort of beetle in it.
Yeah, he doesn't bite me. I wouldn't see one this way, yeah. Got one on me as well.
You wouldn't do that, no.
What?
You wouldn't do that. Cool.
Saturarium.
It's Wednesday and predicted thunderstorms all day, so we've headed out to Lipa Cave just before the thunderstorms start. Hopefully we're going to make it here, do the tour and get back before it all starts. And we
Hopefully.
can video the thunderstorms, that'll be quite cool because we're quite high up, we've got a good view, so it could be quite cool if it does thunderstorm. We can video all that. Yeah, pretty sure you can video in Lipa Cave, so we'll probably take a few pictures and put them on here just so we can remember what it looked like inside. Yeah, we're heading there now and it's quite a nice little trip. Video some of the roads we're driving up there. back on our cave and having some nice pasta.
Hello.
Stormy.
Hello, Alfie.
Hi, it's going to be a storm
Do you
today.
think? Do you think it's actually going to storm now?
I don't know.
I think so. I think something brewing up that mountain.
Maybe still rocking a
What?
hairstyle.
Something brewing up there, isn't it? Anyone bread to dip in?
Oh, thank you.
Oh my gosh, there's a real spider there.
What are we doing then, Alf?
Oh, there's the spider. Oh, shit.
What should we do? Go for a walk?
Yeah.
Explore?
Yeah.
Come on then. You lead the way. Watch this car out of the way. What do you want to find?
Pokemon.
Go Pokemon hunting, is it?
Yeah.
Come on then.
Let's see what we're going to find a Charizard. Why even find an Arceus?
Just down there. Big drop.
Which was like a Gyarados in my bag. Do you imagine?
Crazy.
Beetle. A star beetle we found
I know.
when we went on a walk. And that's it for today.
That's it for today. Tune in some more for some more bugs.
Hello? Hello.
Storm watching.
We're watching the fireworks.
Fireworks.
It's an actual firework over there though.
Oh, saw that one. Probably not going to see it that good next. All the literally the fogs come in.
See how flash dad?
Yep. Big ball.
What?
Well, we have electricity. Oh, double band. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17, Dad.
17 miles.
See that flash?
1, 2, 3. Whoa,
See that?
1, 2,
Proper fog.
3,
Looks huge.
4, 5, 6,
Looks
7,
huge, that was.
8, 9,